You need to run an online contest because guess what? Companies wouldn't be doing them if they weren't successful. Online contests and giveaways have the potential of creating viral loops, increase your website traffic, and help you build your email list, which is the biggest driver of sales. So if you want to know how to run an online contest from start to finish, you have come to the right place. This is going to be a very detailed breakdown of all the steps you need to take in order to run a successful online contest. Let's jump right in. So why should you run an online contest or giveaway? First of all, it's extremely fun. Most likely you have already participated in a giveaway yourself, and if you were lucky enough, you have even won. It combines elements of gamification and excitement with the potential of being the lucky winner. And, well, if you win, you get so many endorphins from that. Secondly, it generates positive brand recognition. Running a giveaway portrays the image of a brand that cares about their customers and wants to treat them with free prizes and gifts. This is the perfect way to create positive brand recognition and also give you a little bit of edge over your competitors. Thirdly, it drives traffic to your website and generates targeted leads. Not only will you get more people to your website, you will get people who are interested in a certain product or service based on the giveaway you are running. If you are giving away free shampoo, for example, you are collecting a group of people that are interested in that product, which you can then send targeted content for. But if you are giving away free cosmetics, then that's a whole other group of leads. Based on their preferences, you can send them personalized emails with the type of content that that group would be interested in. Fourthly, it boosts audience engagement. Contests and giveaways force people to interact with your content. This can include things like clicking on a link to check the details of the product they could win, or to simply leave their email to enter in the giveaway. It doesn't matter what they do. To achieve these things, they must interact with your content. They can't just be silent bypassers, which a lot of people are these days. They must click and engage with your content. Fifthly, contests and giveaways are a type of interactive content. And interactive content has several benefits over static content. Here are some stats that are going to blow your mind. It gets 2 times more customer conversions than passive content. The shareability rate of interactive content is 38%, while for static content, it's only 17%. And 77% of marketers agree that interactive content results in repeated visitors and multiple exposure. A great example of a successful giveaway is one that was run by Men's Health back in 2008. They gave away 10 sets of home gym equipment paired with a nutrition bundle worth £1,000. This prize appeals to people who are interested in fitness and nutrition, which already creates a very strong niche around this giveaway. And it's also in line with Men's Health's brand and target audience. The results of this giveaway would be much different if Men's Health were giving away free consoles and TV sets. It would definitely not be in line with their target audience and would have produced completely different results. To enter the giveaway, people had to visit their website, which is already an excellent strategy to get more traffic to their website. This can increase new subscriptions to their online magazine and newsletter and boost their ad revenue. Even though Men's Health is targeted at men, it was also appealing to women because Men's Health also publishes Women's Health and Runner's World. This made it possible to redirect people to different magazines. There are so many other benefits to running an online giveaway or contest, but I don't want to bore you with an exhaustive list. So instead, let's move on to the reason you clicked on this video. How do you actually run an online contest? Like with every other marketing activity, you need to start by developing a solid strategy. So firstly, define your goals. What are you trying to achieve with this giveaway? And what are the key performance indicators that you will use to measure improvement? It is best to focus on one KPI because this will give your giveaway a more focused and a more targeted campaign. Do you want to grow your email list? Are you trying to increase engagement on your website? Are you trying to gain more followers on social media? Knowing your goal will assist you in decisions down the line, like what medium to choose and what contest type you want to run. Secondly, you will need to define your target audience. Who is your ideal participant, and what do you expect from them after the giveaway is over? Knowing your target audience will also help you with defining other aspects of your giveaway to fit that specific persona. Thirdly, set your budget. This step is super important because it will guide your decisions on what the prize will be, how many ads you're going to run, and where. This step will tell you how big or how small the giveaway will be. Basically, it tells you what you will be able to work with. Fourthly, decide on a prize. Now that you have your budget set, it's time to decide what the prize of the contest will be. This is where your target audience will come in handy that you defined earlier. As I mentioned earlier in this video, if you are Men's Health, you don't want to be giving away free consoles and TV sets because that doesn't align with your target audience. Instead, giving away sets of home gym equipment is much more up the alley of your target audience. Similarly, if you are running an online beauty magazine, you would want to give away free cosmetics and not free cleaning supplies. Fifthly, choose a medium and the contest type. This is where the goals that you defined in step 1 will come into play. Knowing what your target goal is will guide the medium and the contest type you want to use. Are you going to do a photo or video contest? Will it be a vote or sign up contest? Or will it be a user-generated contest or social engagement contests like shares, comments, and likes? Knowing your contest type can guide your medium. Some examples of mediums are Involve Me, Strata, Gleam, and Rafflecopter. Once again, your target goal is what should be driving these decisions. Sixthly, define the guidelines for entering the contest. You need to outline what the rules are for entering into the giveaway. The previous step will guide you with this. If your contest is a simple subscribe to my newsletter, then you might want to outline that they also need to give you their first and last name, their age, and their favorite item of clothing, for example. If you want to increase your social media following, you could require people to follow you, share one of your posts, and tag 3 of their friends in the comments. A great way to get your giveaway more visibility is to incentivize people to invite their friends in order to increase their chances in winning in the giveaway. Lastly, make sure to check the guidelines for running a contest or giveaway on the platform you intend to run it on. Different platforms have different guidelines. I know that Facebook, Pinterest, Twitter, and Instagram all have guidelines that you can look into. Seventhly, it is time to create your giveaway. Here's where you need to find a platform where you can monitor and track your giveaway. You don't want to have to go to Upwork and find a developer to do it for you when there are simple no-code tools like Involve Me, where you can do exactly this. Involve Me already has pre-made giveaway templates that you can fully customize to your brand. It also has detailed metrics where you can track the progress of your giveaway. I have a video all about the analytics section of Involve Me, which you can check out by clicking over here, or it will also be linked in the description below. And what's even better is that by dragging and dropping one single thing onto your page, you can email gate your giveaway. No need to spend hours on end trying to figure this out. All you need to do is drag and drop the contact form content element onto the page, and you're set to go. You can even see all the data that was filled in the contact form in the analytics section, and you can personalize emails to participants based on the information they filled out. Eighthly, promote your giveaway. Now that your giveaway is complete, you will need to then promote it. It is super important not to skip this step. While a giveaway does have the potential to do its own promotion by people sharing it, it is so crucial that you promote it on the right platforms to the right target audience to get the response you want. There's no use in going through all the previous 7 steps if you don't promote your contest on the right platform to the right target audience. This is also the time to be engaging with your entrants, replying to comments or questions. So don't get lazy here. Ninthly, follow up with your leads. Now this is the most important step. There is no use spending all this money on the contest, collecting a bunch of leads, and spending a lot of time on it if in the end no one buys from you. So make sure to follow up with your leads through email because that is the biggest driver of sales. Upsell and downsell on other products, send them similar products to the one they wanted to win in the giveaway, or even send them discounts for that product. Your marketing campaign shouldn't end just because the giveaway is over. It is now time to start keeping in touch with them through email. This is how you make a giveaway profitable. Without this, you're simply losing money. Lastly, reflect on your campaign. What were the areas where you did well, and what things could you have improved? It is also a good time to look into analytics. You might realize that your audience is much older or younger than you have previously expected. You can even make changes to your product or marketing efforts based on this information. So don't skip this step either, because it's a crucial part of developing your business or your product or service. Well, that is it for today's video. If you want a discount code for Involve Me, you can find it in the description below, and you can get 2 months for free on any of the paid plans. I will also leave a link to our giveaway templates in the description below. I really hope you enjoyed this video and that it will help you run a successful online contest or giveaway. As always, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're notified every time we post a new video. Thanks for watching. Bye!